Hello and welcome to Brick Tip number 58. If you enjoy seeing our videos about designing with Lego, please consider supporting us on Patreon. In Brick Tip 57, I was working on a scissor lift to lift up the top of the carousel. I found that there wasn't enough carrying capacity in the scissor lift to do what I needed it to do, so I went back to the drawing board and came up with this design, which is a wheel-driven elevator. This works in the same concept as the wheel-driven cylinder in that we have two guide wheels on the outside and our drive wheels on the inside. This is powered by two large motors to make sure we get the maximum amount of torque, and they have a couple of small gears attached to these large gears inside, making it an incredibly powerful elevator. Between the grippy tires and the studs on the plates, there is lots of friction in there to easily lift up and suspend a heavy load. So we're gonna start our test with a Lego train locomotive. We've just set it down and we're gonna not only test whether it can lift it, but also how level the load is going up and down the elevator. So there's a little bit of wobble, but it's definitely perfectly level, didn't slip off one way or the other, and we all know that these train locomotives are very unbalanced. There's going to be a sizable load going on top of this, and I really want to make sure that it can handle it. So we're going to push this to the limit and see how much this can actually carry. So we're going to start with a 2-pound weight and see how that does. No issues at all with the 2-pound weight, and I don't think the load on top is going to be any more than 2 pounds, but we're going to give 3 pounds a try and see how that does. So it struggled a bit with 3 pounds. It got it up though, but with a bit of leg. So I think our maximum load is definitely 3 pounds on this, which is going to be more than enough that I need to lift the carousel. If you want to see more on how I designed this lift, I will be doing the design video, taking it apart so you can see exactly what I used and how I designed it the way I did. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you found this inspirational to go give wheels a try in your own elevator style designs. If you've liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe and share it around so that others can enjoy it. Thanks so much. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye bye.